Pregnancy is a beautiful journey, and giving birth is a mystery. A mystery which all of us are waiting to solve, a mystery which all of us want to learn how can we actually pass it with flying colors. But during this beautiful phase of pregnancy, there are a few things that all of you really need to do, really need to understand the importance, because right now is that time when you are carrying an angel within your womb. So deep has to be your connection with your own self, because this connection and this harmonious relationship which you are carrying with God, which you're carrying with yourself, which you're carrying with your own family and people at work, is going to make the thought process of your mind and is going to translate into your baby's personality. Each and every thought that you are creating today is going to generate an emotion which is going to generate hormones, and these hormones and neurotransmitters need to be feel good hormones. All of you today must be understanding that everybody is talking about, yes, you need to be very happy, very peaceful, very grateful during this phase. The basis, the medical basis behind this is that once you are creating these happy values and virtues, your emotions are going to be happy, and your neurotransmitters which your brain will be releasing will be feel good hormones. You should know the names. Sometimes everybody says, why should I know what hormones my body is secreting during pregnancy? You should know, because each and every hormone that your thought is generating is rinsing your baby's developing brain, and it is actually programming the mind of your baby to feel happy, to feel stressed. That is in your hands today. What you want your child's fetal brain cells to be sensitized with, which hormones? The happy hormones are serotonin, the happy hormones are DHEA, the happy hormones are melatonin, human growth hormone. These all hormones are very easily secreted. If you have you know what I say, like a meditative mind, a easy mind, a happy mind, a grateful mind, automatically your body will secrete loads of these feel good hormones. That is why I always tell to all my patients, pregnancy is not just a beautiful journey, not just a miraculous, amazing journey. Pregnancy is a spiritual journey. You have to be connected with your Supreme, because He has given you the power to create an angel within your womb. It is your prime role as a caregiver to make sure that this developing brain is rinsed with all these feel-good hormones. Today we talk about, we want our child to be intelligent, we want our child to be physically healthy, we want our child to be successful in life. But the basis of this is that when that developing brain is rinsed with these hormones, which you will create by your beautiful connection with your own self, with everybody around you in the family and at work, that is what will secrete those hormones and sensitize those brain cells, because there are trillions of neural connections daily which you will be able to create for your child in your child's brain. Just like your brain works, even the baby's brain which is developing also works. Both the brains have one left and one right side. That is what is important. Even you are creating your baby's brains, and you are creating all those neuronal connections, and more neurons are being added every day, as well as they are being pruned. Pruned means they are being removed from the circulation every day. So it is in your hands and the hands of your support person, the role of the father, the role of the entire family, to keep creating more and more good, beautiful, positive thoughts, so that your baby's brain is rinsed with all those feel-good hormones. There are many stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline which are causing hypertension in us today, which are causing diabetes in us today as an adult. I don't want my baby to be rinsed with these hormones. So the conscious effort on your part is going to be only create happy thoughts, because there is a lot of science behind this creation of happy thought. So I always tell my patients, please write beautiful, loving letters to your baby. Pen down each and every feeling that you are creating for your baby. Write gratitude journals in the morning. First thing, write it down. Thank you, God, for giving me this opportunity to create a life within my own body. Thank you, everyone, for giving me such beautiful support. Give your thanks to nature, that nature is empowering you to create a healthy physical body as well of your baby. You have to keep thanking all the elements as well, because that is going to create your energy field, which is going to be positive. Then even if you have complications in pregnancy, like even if you develop high BP during pregnancy, maybe even diabetes, maybe you have excess of nausea or vomiting, you're not able to sleep too well, you will graciously accept that. And that gracious acceptance which you do will help in this journey to minimize the complication rate of your pregnancy, and you will have a safe and healthy pregnancy. It is very important that you make sure that you have the right womb environment, the environment of the womb around your baby, the right circulation of good feel-good hormones, of neuropeptides. This will program your baby's brain so that you have a healthy, happy child coming forth into your arms. This is the way that this virtue baby will have a healthy personality, body, relationships, security, safety, harmony into this world.